Babcock Davis. In this video, we will show you how to install the architectural access door, model BNT. Before you begin, please make sure you read the installation manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and installation tips. To ensure proper installation and performance of the product, the following actions must be completed by the installing contractor. The following tools are recommended for this procedure. Getting started. Begin by installing a framed opening at a specified location for your access door. The rough opening dimensions should be 1/4 larger than catalog size of door. For example, a 12 by 12 door should have a rough opening of 12 1/4 by 12 1/4. Install the wall frame to fit the dimensions as required for your access door. Double check with a level, and make sure your framing is leveled. Next, install drywall as needed using the appropriate fasteners for your project. Using a keyhole saw, cut the opening for the access panel. Once the cutout is complete, you are now ready to install the access door. Installation. Begin by placing the access panel into the opening. The flange should seat firmly against wall or ceiling. Square up the access panel in the opening, and secure the hinge side first. To access the holes on the hinge side, the door must be opened. Please note, doors 36 inches by 36 inches and larger have a continuous piano hinge. Next, secure the hinge side using 2 fasteners. Insert the fasteners through both pre-drilled holes. Fully tighten the screws using a power drill. Take care not to over-tighten. Repeat these steps, and secure the opposite side. Finally, secure the top and bottom. Insert the fasteners through the pre-drilled holes. Double check, and make sure the assembly is tightly secured. Congratulations! Installation of the architectural access door is now complete. Swing open, and close the door to ensure it is working properly. Inspect the door to ensure that all fasteners are tight, and components are properly installed. Operation. Access doors are designed and built for years of dependable wall and ceiling access. The basic components for door operation include latching and locking mechanism and hinges. A screwdriver-operated cam latch is our standard. Other latch options include key-operated cam lock and mortise lock prep. To lock or unlock the latch, use a flathead screwdriver. Close the door, and turn the screwdriver clockwise to lock the door. To open the door, turn the screwdriver counterclockwise. To remove the door, use the finger-operated button snap hinges. Quickly and easily remove the door, using the finger-operated button snap. To remove the door, push out, or slide out both hinges. To reinstall the access door, press down on the hinges as you push them in place. Maintenance. Access doors should be manually operated once a year to check performance. Lubricate all moving parts such as hinges and latches with a silicone spray lube as required to maintain a smooth opening and closing of the door. Do not overgrease. Do not use regular lubricating oil as it can attract dust and grit. Non-moving parts can be cleaned with a mild soap or dishwashing detergent and water solution. For more information on installation, repair, or replacement, please visit us online at babcockdavis.com. Enjoy your new architectural access door. Brought to you by Babcock Davis.